In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language in Microsoft Loop so you can work in the language you're most comfortable with. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft Loop. Sign in with your Microsoft account, and once you're in your dashboard, head to your profile icon in the top right corner. Click it and select Account. From here, go to Settings and Privacy. In this section, look for Language Settings. You will see a list of available languages. To set your preferred one, either add it if it's not listed or move it to the top if it's already there. Microsoft Loop will now display in that language by default. That's it, you've successfully changed the language in Microsoft Loop, making navigation and collaboration much easier. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Loop tips.